All right, don't go anywhere, other Miata. First drive with an LSD in this car. Why am I nervous? All right, I'm excited now. Holy! It pulls different. This car is different. Okay. I think what I hear rattling around is my battery. I think my tachometer is definitely off. I don't know if my speedo's right. I shouldn't be I would like to time that 0 to 6. That's interesting. We're gonna pull ways. Alright, my speedo says I'm running 41 miles an hour. My speedo says 41, my app says 39. We're in a 40 mile an hour zone. It's good. I think my RPMs are off. I think my speedo's correct, but I think my RPMs are like, I'm not at 4,000 RPM right now. There's no way. Like right now I'm at like 2. There's no way I'm at 3,000. I don't know, man. Other than that, everything sounds great, feels great. This is awesome. Let's see if we're leaking any fluids.
She might wake up in the morning for the encore. Ooh, girl, you shady, how you do that with your contour? Make up all this shit like you thought I would fall for it. Look, now it's like this.
Let's see if we're leaking any fluids. I also have no more check engine light. That was from my cat being loose. Oh yeah, everything looks great. Awesome. Well, let's keep driving. Let's put the top down. Beautiful day. Different, and I really can't describe how different it pulls. The miles per hour is dead on, but the RPM is pretty wacky from what I've experienced. But in the rear end, it just wants to snap out. Like, I really need to adjust my rear sway bars now. Like, oh my god. We're coming up on these railroad tracks, and I just realized I have not changed my settings on my shocks since autocross. Let's do that real quick, or on my coilovers, whatever. Okay, we're just gonna park right here. This is us. Party for one. Oh god, I really need to fix that. So we're like 6 degrees from the hardest setting right now on the front. Oh yeah, I don't know if the front is even gonna, uh-oh, I think this is super broke. Well, speaking of last autocross, I'm pretty sure we had some problems with the hood popper. Yeah, and it's shut now, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to open that. Oh, it's about to be a rough boy. Nothing like a bunch of back roads and a setup I'm not used to. I need gas, nothing new.
Probably coming off a little arrogant. See the man in the mirror like, what the fuck you staring at? You taking yourself too serious. And I think it's hilarious. I know you very insecure like a bad bank. You caught a nice star acting like you had lane. I'm half drunk in the car drinking like the room was half drunk.
It performs so differently. The rear just follows the front now. Like, it is insane. It is a really big difference, honestly.
Wait, don't put my name in the mag. My family about to be mad when they read it. I don't really want attention, but they all mention call me conceited. We're lying with something I should have tweeted, but before I get to delete it, they TMZ, give a screenshot. I see it. Everybody gotta see it there. Watch that happen now.
This is a whole new car. I have to learn this car all over again. I have to learn my corners all over again. I really wish I could soften up the front right now, but like when I do this, it is tracking, like it is instantly tracking in the rear. All input is instant response. So I might change up my rear sway bar settings just a little bit, but this is crazy. Oh, they were going where I'm going. They're both going where oh man. So we're coming up on some of my favorite curves, and I just realized, one, I love this thing in the curves. Two, it's a little, tracky. It tracks the front very well. And three, I think they overinflated the rear tires, and that's part of the reason it feels so loose back there. I mean, unless it's really this different. It probably is just that different. But like, I don't even want to full send it. Right now I feel like I could give more, and I don't want to. And now we have a Mustang behind us. Let's not do Mustang things. I feel like this thing is gonna love autocross. I'm pretty sure I accidentally just made this car a complete autocross monster. I mean, it was no accident, but the way it just hugs curves, like it's kind of ridiculous. Oh my God. This car is completely different. I cannot express how different this car is. Oh my God. I feel like the biggest noob right now. I just got home from school and I want to check this tire pressure because I recently got these new tires put on the rear, and they filled these suckers up to like 50 or 45 pounds. I knew that's why I felt so like I was on rails in the back. It was so squirrely. All right, now we're at right under 30, probably about 28 pounds. That's where I like to run my Miata tires. Whenever I go on track, I'll drop them to 25 or so. And, maybe a little low, whatever. But it's plenty of grip, and it allows the tire to flex a ton. Let's check this side. All right, about 28 on this side. We're gonna go on a quick drive real quick, and I'm gonna see if I can immediately notice a difference. I bet you I can. This is how this car is supposed to drive. Oh my goodness. Difference about the tire pressure is at high speeds when I'm going in a straight line, the car is like the rear end tracks the front crazy close. So yeah, I definitely needed to drop that tire pressure on the open highway and test it out there though. All right, so tire pressure made a big difference already at low speed. see how the car performs at higher speed. Much better. It is crazy how important tire pressure is. I was having such different traction experience in the rear. Wow. I need my tires.
All right, where they checks the cone at? Okay, thank you somebody for calling.
Uh-oh.
Oh, hey, you didn't hit it.
Cool.
All right, whenever you're ready, man.
All right.
Have fun. I know you will.
Oh yeah. I don't have my grippy tires on the back.